Lean management in small firms, high-impact strategies. The foundation of lean management is the concept of Kaizen, or continuous improvement. In a small firm, this begins with fostering a mindset where every team member is encouraged to look for small, incremental improvements in their day-to-day tasks. Map out key processes for greater clarity. Process mapping, or creating a value stream map, is a lean technique that identifies all the steps involved in delivering a product or service. This allows you to visualize each step, identify bottlenecks, and pinpoint areas of inefficiency. For a small business, this practice is invaluable. It sheds light on potential time wasters and gives a clear understanding of where resources are being used. Focus on reducing waste. Waste, in lean terms, doesn't only refer to physical waste but also includes wasted time, resources, and even talent. Small firms can apply the 8 wastes of lean: defects, overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing, to identify inefficiencies in various areas. Simplify inventory management. Holding excess inventory ties up valuable capital and storage space, resources that small firms can't afford to waste. Adopting a lean approach to inventory management, often called just-in-time (JIT) inventory, ensures you only hold what you need to meet demand. Standardize processes to reduce variability. Inconsistencies in processes lead to errors, wasted time, and poor customer experience. By standardizing procedures, small firms can create reliable workflows that are easy to train, follow, and improve. Implement 5S for an organized workspace. The 5S system, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, is a lean strategy for workplace organization that can improve efficiency and reduce wasted time looking for tools or documents. Empower employees through cross-training. Cross-training employees can be a powerful lean strategy for small firms. It maximizes flexibility and ensures coverage of key tasks when team members are unavailable. This approach reduces reliance on one person for key tasks. Use metrics to drive performance. Lean management emphasizes the importance of data-driven decision-making. For a small business, tracking relevant KPIs can provide insights. It shows which processes work and where to improve. KPIs might include order fulfillment time, customer satisfaction rates, or employee productivity. Regularly reviewing these metrics lets you to adjust processes and avoid costly inefficiencies. Conclusion. In conclusion, lean management is resource light. It's ideal for small firms that want high efficiency and low costs.